Welcome to my video, where we'll be exploring the benefits of drinking water and the risks associated with not drinking enough. Water is an essential component of our bodies and plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. Despite this, many people fail to drink enough water each day, putting themselves at risk of various health problems. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits of staying hydrated, the risks of dehydration, and some simple tips for making sure you're drinking enough water each day. So, let's dive in. To apply a habit of drinking water in your life, you can set a daily water intake goal. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses or 2 liters of water every day. Keep a water bottle with you. Carry a reusable water bottle with you at all times, so you can easily drink water throughout the day. Make it a routine. Drink water at specific times throughout the day, such as first thing in the morning, before meals, and before and after exercise. Flavor your water. Add slices of fruits like lemon, lime, or cucumber to your water to give it some flavor. Use an app or reminder. Set reminders on your phone or use a water tracking app to remind you to drink water at regular intervals. Make it fun. Make drinking water more enjoyable by trying different types of water or by drinking it from a fancy glass. Be consistent. Make drinking water a daily habit and stick to it even on days when you may not feel like it. Not drinking enough water can lead to a variety of health problems, including dehydration. The most immediate effect of not drinking enough water is dehydration, which can cause symptoms such as dry mouth, headache, fatigue, and dizziness. Constipation. Without enough water, stools can become hard and difficult to pass, leading to constipation. Kidney problems. Water helps to flush waste products from the kidneys, and not drinking enough water can lead to the formation of kidney stones or other kidney problems. Skin problems. Dehydration can cause skin to become dry, flaky, and prone to wrinkles and other signs of aging. Urinary tract infections. Without enough water, bacteria can accumulate in the bladder and cause urinary tract infections. Poor immune system function. Water is essential for transporting nutrients and oxygen to cells throughout the body, and not drinking enough water can impair immune system function. Fatigue and poor concentration. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and poor concentration, making it difficult to perform daily tasks. Drinking water has many benefits, including hydration. Drinking water helps to keep your body hydrated, which is important for maintaining overall health. Helps with digestion. Water can help to soften stools, making them easier to pass, and can also help prevent constipation. Aids in weight loss. Drinking water before meals can help to reduce appetite and calorie intake, which can aid in weight loss. Promotes healthy skin. Staying hydrated can help to keep your skin looking healthy and prevent dryness and wrinkles. Boosts energy levels. Drinking water can help to keep you feeling energized and alert throughout the day. Helps to flush out toxins. Water is important for flushing out toxins and waste products from the body, which can help to prevent illnesses. Supports the immune system. Water is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system, as it helps to transport nutrients and oxygen to cells throughout the body. Thanks for watching my video about the benefits of drinking water and the risks of not drinking enough. By staying hydrated, we can improve our overall health and well-being, while avoiding dehydration and other health issues. Remember to keep that water bottle handy and make staying hydrated a top priority.